What's up, guys? This is the right here Retro Crypto. Got an exciting video for you right now. This video is completely about Cardano. A couple things going on in it right now, and some of my experiences. And I definitely want to do some technical analysis. But before we get started, please remember, I'm just an ordinary guy out there on the internet who has a passion for cryptocurrency. It's essential that you do your own research before making any and all financial decisions. All right. Now, with that said, look at this, guys. I'm up to 803 subscribers. You think you can help me out? That'd be greatly appreciated if I can get, honestly, I need 197 more subscribers. So for those of you out there that have already subscribed, I just want to say thank you from my heart. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, just do it. Just click on it real quick. It's real easy, guys. And also hit that like button. The like button does a lot for me, too. But with that said, let's get this rolling. All right, first I want to do some technical analysis of... Actually, let's take a quick peek at... Well, we're not going to look at big. We're going to go straight to our Cardano. All right, so let's look at Cardano right here. There is a significant depth cross going on the 4-hour chart and the 2-hour chart with Cardano. Cardano on the charts looks very bad right now, guys. But I'm hoping it's going to be making a little bit of a comeback in the very near future. Now, why am I saying it looks bad? Okay, the purple one, that's the 20-day moving average, okay? The green... That is the 50-day moving average. The orange is a 100-day, and the red is a 200-day moving average. The 200-day moving average has crossed over the 20-day and the 50-day, and it looks like the 100-day is not going the right direction. Let's pray that doesn't cross. But right now, that's called a death cross. That's a very bad thing. It's happened back here also, and then it spiked up for a bit, but then it came right back down. So that's actually 2 death cross on Cardano. That's a very bad thing. The RSI is actually showing it was in the oversold side, but people are buying Cardano right now, and it's working its way up to the neutral zone, which that is a good thing. And I do see that the MACD chart is right here with this green over top of the red. That tells me that it's going into a bullish sentiment, which is very good. Now we look at it with the 4-hour chart. And a 4-hour chart's going to show us something. A 4-hour chart's actually worse. Wow. On a 4-hour chart, the 200-day moving average did a completely death cross on the 20, the 50, and 100-day moving average. That is not good, guys. Now, the RSI is starting to work its way up also in the 4-hour chart. It was bottom here, but it's a little bit less selling action going on. It's working its way up. And then the MACD also appears that it's about to go into, I hope you can see that, it's about to go into bullish territory. Actually, it just entered it. But yeah, right now, Cardano, hopefully Bitcoin starts to move up because Bitcoin affects the whole market, and Cardano is still new. I've been seeing on tweets online that the speed is much better. I haven't looked into it because I haven't been worried about it. I knew that that's how it was designed, and people are amazing. No matter how many times you can tell them it's doing what it's supposed to do, they're going to hear and see what they want to hear. But it's whatever. All right. Cardano is definitely in a downtrend. It's been in a downtrend since September 2nd, 2021, and it's still in that downtrend. But the support line here is amazing. It even held now, which I thought it was going to break it, but I think it might hold, which is it's really awesome, honestly. So hopefully it continues to hold at that support line. That's the same support line that I've drawn for a while, and it's just holding. So hopefully that could be a really good thing. But only time will tell. We look down here. We already covered the MACD. All right, let's jump over here. Right here we have the Bollinger Bands, guys. And you can see on the Bollinger Bands, it's actually worked its way back up to the neutral. So that's a good thing. It's not crashing and burning at this moment, put it like that, like it did, like say right here. All right. Now this is my knockoff cipher chart here. I didn't pay for it, but I found a free version on TradingView. Let's see. All right, so we're looking at this here. The red diamonds stand for bearish continuation, and they're purple, blue. They kind of look, I guess, they're purplish blue. These little triangles, they're reversal of previous trend. So there was a reversal here, and then there's another reversal here, previous trend. So I'm thinking that this reversal was intended for it to go up. Then there was another reversal, and then we went straight down to a bearish trend right here with two red diamonds, red, red, too much red, red continuation diamonds, big diamonds. That's horrible. There's even some shorts in there, like right here, this little red diamond was saying to short it. But the good news is that down here on the secondary chart, I see green right there, which tells me that the green dot is basically, it stands for a local market bottom, a strong buy signal in uptrends, a cautionary sign for shorters and downtrends, primary trigger on all time frames. So if somebody was shorting the market here, this is telling them be careful. They may want to take their losses. And for what I can see, it looks like it's picked up a little bit, but nothing enough, not definitely not enough to get excited over. As you can look at here, it already did that. But if you're a true Cardonian, you have no worries. You know this project's the real deal. Now let's look at this chart on a 4-hour range. Now the 4-hour range is looking a bit healthier actually, because you got this right here. Yeah, the 4-hour range looks better. But as I said before, only time will tell. We have to be patient. You know Cardano's going to do good, guys. Just stay focused, stay faithful. All right. Now, this is what I really wanted to talk about. Is what I want to talk about: SundaeSwap, SundaeSwap, and what SundaeSwap's currently doing. All right. Now they already did it. Now check this out, guys. I can't believe this. I swear, this project, they just CardStarter. I don't think CardStarter did anything wrong. I think whoever's in charge of SundaeSwap changes with the wind. I swear they do. I think they did screw with CardStarter. I'm gonna tell you why. Let's look at this. We've evaluated the results of the vote and read your responses regarding the reverse ISO proposal. With 83% of the votes for the proposal, 13% against, and 4% abstaining, the reverse ISO will take place from February 19th to February 24th. The goal of the reverse ISO is to incentivize distribution of some of the 6.3 billion ISO ADA. We are hopeful that this initiative will be a net positive for the redistribution to support smaller state pool operators who lost delegation and ultimately make Cardano stronger. The pools eligible for the reverse ISO can be found here, and I should already have a link open. 20 million Sunday will be allocated for the initiative, equal to a single ISO epoch. And here's the polls right here. And I'll have a link on this video for you. But I just think it's ridiculous because we already did the ISO. Why are we going back? Now we're doing reverse ISO? I mean, I thought we were going to do the ISO on CardStarter. So did CardStarter. Apparently money was spent. Agreements were made. It's just weird to me. It's very weird. And it's constantly changing. I don't know if you guys have noticed. Maybe it's just me complaining. But it's the way I feel. But anyway. All right. So SundaeSwap. We look back at my videos. You'll see that I was a big fan of SundaeSwap when it first came out. I was very happy with the product. The one flaw it had wasn't really their fault. And I discovered it. And that's been fixed. But I've been watching this closely, guys. Now, please stop and listen to me on this one. Because I might have to ramble a little bit. But it's important. Because I don't want you to do what I did. When Cardano, the smart contracts were coming out. And the rumors of the smart contracts. So from June to September, I brought a lot of projects that have dropped substantially. And when I say substantially, like I lost a lot of money. But I'm confident, so I'm not worried about it. Like OCAM fee. I could read down a very long list. CardStarter. I mean, there's a lot of money. Hold on. Matter of fact, I'm going to pull this up, and I'm going to let you know exactly what it was. Because that's the only way to do it the right way. The projects that I purchased were... bear with me, guys, because I want you to listen to this so you don't make the mistake I did. Because what happens is you get so excited, and then you do things before being smart. Yes, I'm afraid I was not smart. All right, so some of the projects I got. The reason I'm not showing you it because it's the exact numbers on the screen. World Mobile Token I got recently. I'm very happy with that. Cody, I'm very comfortable with that. 8X, I was comfortable with that. Okay, Ergo, I'm down 73% with Ergo, but I'm very happy with Ergo because I know when Charles Hoskinson says that a project is his favorite project next to Cardano. Says a lot. I shouldn't say anymore. Uh, let's see, Card Starter, I'm down 87.85%. And let's just say I had enough stake to take part in it. So I'm not happy, but it is what it is. OCAM fee, I'm down 82.45%. Spores Network, I'm down 90%. I could jump through the screen and just start punching. C3, I'm down 67%, but I'm okay with C3. AGIX, I'm down 73%. DEFX, I forgot what that is. That's down 77%. Gura Wallet, 85%. Bondly, they crashed. It was a whole weird thing, but I'm down 88% with them. C Card Swap, I'm down 91%. Exponet, I'm down 82%. Card Wallet, I'm down 94%. Now, why is this guy telling me all of his failures? That's what you're wondering right now. Because I don't want you to make the same mistake I did. Now, I know enough about the market that I am confident I'll be fine. I'm going to tell you why I know I'll be fine. Because I'm just going to sit on it. And all those projects still come back around. I might have to wait the 4 years before I get my money for those. Unless I decide to take them as a tax loss, which that's how it works in the U.S. For, tax savings. But so right now, when you go into SundaeSwap, wrong one. I'm sorry, guys. Come on. All right, when you go to MusiSwap, Liquid's moving. Liquid's moving without a doubt. Which other ones I know are moving? Actually, they finally got you can see the changes in here. There's projects actually doing things. But which one is the real deal? Which one is fluff? I don't know. CNETA was up like 33% the other day. And that was one of the ones that was in the drip drops airdrop. So I do have some CNETA. But I was like, I got ready to just take, several $1,000s. Maybe like about 4,000, 3 or 4,000. And just spread it, just you throw enough crap on the wall, something's bound to stick. You ever heard that saying? But that's what mistake I made before. I'm not doing that again. I'm going to stand back and I'm going to watch. And I'm going to watch very closely. And I'm going to make sure the only project that I'm 100% sure is the real deal, is going to pay out huge dividends, is World Mobile Token. And maybe Pavia. But I'm not impressed with Pavia. When I look at their metaverse, I'm not really impressed. I'm like, okay. Where you go into Decentraland, your jaw drops to the floor. But that doesn't mean anything because projects are still being built. I get that. Liquid is definitely on the move, but Liquid's very expensive. And it was released really expensive. So let's see what happens with that one. Yeah, I just don't want you guys to make that same mistake. So make sure you're very diligent in your research. And what got me was, the way it was is, those projects I named off, their selling point to the market was, we're being built on Ethereum or Binance, and we're going to bridge over to Cardano when it's live with smart contracts. Well, guess what? Those projects I just named off, they're not on there. They will be eventually, but they're not there now, and it kind of ticks me off. But I hope you understand where I'm going at with this, but just be careful, guys. This is another one. Yeah, I think might be a good one. Actually, the bunch of them, they were good ones. And I'm actually starting to get to the point where I'm ready to invest. But I just wanted to put that in your ear so that you just don't just start sprinkling everywhere. Just because it's on Cardano doesn't mean it's gold. You know what I mean? It's because it's glittering. It ain't gold necessarily. Just because you see it up 16.9% right now, don't mean it's where you want to put your money at. All right? I will vouch for World Mobile Token, though. Definitely. All right. Now, let's jump forward, and also you get this, and we already talked about that there. All right, guys, but that's it for this Cardano video. I promise I'm going to start pumping out more Cardano stuff. I've been kind of lagging, because as you know, I'm a big Hex fan, and Hex has a lot of big things going on also. But if there's any specific videos that you guys want to see, or projects you want to learn about on Cardano, leave me a comment or a message. That way I can regain my focus to what you guys want to see. It's not what I want to see, it's what you want to see. All right? But until next time, guys, stay blessed, stay happy, and most of all, stay Cardonians. Peace out.